Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to reduce or get rid of Temu ads. If you are seeing too many ads and want a cleaner browsing experience, we will walk you through the simple steps to manage your ad preferences and settings. On your Temu dashboard, all you need to do is install an extension on your browser. You can find your extensions in the upper right part of your browser. From there, click Manage Extensions, and then search for the extension you want to add, such as an ad blocker extension. We just need to install an ad blocker like the one shown here. Simply open it and install it. Once the installation is complete, enable the extension so it can start blocking ads. As you can see, it will block ads and load pages much faster. This will help remove ads so they will no longer appear on your Temu website. That is how we reduce or get rid of Temu ads. With these simple steps, we can enjoy a smoother and less distracting browsing experience.